Hey guys, what's up? This is my 240, and today I'm gonna be installing some Villain's angle kit. So it's gonna be sick, and I should have, I think it's like 60 degrees of angle. So it's a little bit hot out, but we're gonna get started on it. Kind of bummed out, just got the wheel off, and for some reason the tire's flat. I don't know if I just like ripped through it or something, but
turn it over.
Oh, maybe that's why. I might have to put some spares on, that way I can go rip this after the angle kit's on and keep ripping shit off. Almost got the knuckle completely off. We ended up getting a 30 mil from O'Reilly's, and everything's going pretty quick. If you're doing this, definitely get a impact gun because it makes it like 20 times faster. And yeah, this is a new knuckle they'll go on. I guess it's extended or something, I don't know. But yeah, so we're moving along pretty quick, and I'll update you guys when I get the lower control arm out. Alright, so we're not able to get this out yet. We're still working on that, but the new LCA's in, and it went pretty smoothly for the most part. So we're gonna throw the knuckle in. My friend's gonna either bring like an adjustable wrench or a tie rod tool remover, and hopefully we can get that off. And yeah, it's a little messy down here, but yeah, it's going pretty smoothly so far. Besides the two hiccups, but sick.
Keep going.
Okay, anyway, we just picked up one of these. Oh my god, dude, I need some water.
Come on, stop choking. Let's go.
Alright, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you still going?
No.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
No, Siri. Stop.
What the fuck?
Stop.
Okay, go.
Okay, so we just picked up one of these tie rod removers, and we're running into problem number 3 for the day. We can't get, I'm not gonna lie, totally don't know the name for this, but
It's outer tie rod.
Okay, outer tie rod, okay, good job. We can't get this off of the tie rods, so our plan is we got a grinder. We are getting an extension cord, and we're just gonna grind them off, throw these on, tighten them up, and call it a day.
Use that thing.
Yeah. Instead of grinding the tie rod off, I ended up somehow snapping it. Like I put my back against the wall and then snapped it, and then use this tool to get the inner part off. And now it's on there. So this side is done. Just gotta put this last bolt on, and then I have to do the other side, and then we're good to go. So I'll update you guys when it's all back together. Put the wheels on, drop it on the ground, see how much camber we have, and yeah, that'll be sick, so.
Heck yeah, man.
Okay. So, as you can see, it's on the ground now, and it's got a lot of camber. These aren't the normal wheels I run, so it looks a little funky, but we're about to go out, test it out a little bit, and see how it is. So, yeah, we'll get some clips of that, and we'll show you guys how much angle there is and stuff, so.
For what?
Okay, this is insane. Look at this. Holy crap. Oh my god, dude. Alright, we're gonna try this out. That's insane. Going? Alright, we gotta go somewhere else where we can insane. Okay, so this is how tight it can turn. It's pretty insane, honestly. I rubbed. Oh. Holy hell! Damn! That's sick.
Where are you rubbing?
I have no idea. I think up here. Sorry, here. What's it? Oh, you're still recording? Okay. Yeah, anyway, Villains angle kit, 315 bucks if you send in all your crap. Definitely worth it. That's what it looks like at full lock. I wish I had my white wheels on the front. It doesn't look that good, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll straighten it out and show you guys how much camber there is. I rubbed right there.
Oh yeah, you rub on the sway bar.
Yeah, I was rubbing on the sway bar right there. It looks like.
You can't go full.
But these aren't my normal wheels. We'll see how those ones run, but that might be why it's a little hard to turn. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this install. I'll definitely have some more crap coming soon, so just keep watching and there'll be a bunch of stuff to watch, right Brandon?
Yeah, I love more crap.
Yeah, you can't beat it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, and I'll see you guys later.